Hey guys, Eric here with Muscle Cars with Eric, and today's feature is pure Ford muscle from the golden era, the 1969 Mustang Mach 1 SportsRoof. Now this was the year Ford came out swinging. They widened the stance, stretched the body, and gave the Mustang an aggressive new attitude that separated the Mach 1 from the pack. What you're looking at here, finished in that classic Wimbledon White, just screams factory cool with a side of street authority. Under the hood, you've got Ford's legendary H-Code 351 cubic inch V8, backed by the FMX SelectShift automatic transmission and a 3.00 rear axle. It's a rock-solid combo. Quick off the line, smooth on the highway, and perfect for those long weekend cruises. Pop that hood, and you see how clean and detailed everything is. Those 351 logo Cobra valve covers, chrome air cleaner, and even the chrome rigidity bars tying it all together. Every detail tells you this Mach 1 was loved, not just owned. Add in factory air conditioning and it proves you can have power and comfort in one package. Rare for a late 60s muscle car. Visually, Ford absolutely nailed it. The matte black hood treatment with that signature scoop gives it a menacing look even standing still. Side scoops, dual sport mirrors, the Mach 1 stripe package, rear deck spoiler, all part of what made this one of the most iconic fastbacks of its time. Every line just flows like wind over a wing. Inside, it's a time capsule of late 60s cool. White high back buckets, wood grain dash and door panels, black carpeting, and a classic Mustang Sport steering wheel. You can almost picture yourself rolling down Main Street in '69 with the windows down and the radio cranked. Speaking of tunes, it's been upgraded with a Mustang logo stereo so you can keep the retro vibe while streaming your own playlist, the best of both worlds. Out back, the quad tip exhaust and heavy duty suspension make sure this pony sounds and handles every bit as good as it looks. The deep rumble at idle and crisp crack when you tap on the throttle, pure Ford magic. It rolls on factory chrome style wheels wrapped in raised white letter Coupe Cobra radials, the perfect finishing touch for that muscle car stance. For me, the '69 Mach 1 hits that sweet spot between show and go. Part boulevard cruiser, part back road bruiser. It was never just a trim package, it was Ford's way of saying we're serious about performance and we can make it beautiful too. More than 50 years later, this SportsRoof still turns heads, still starts conversations, and still makes you want to grab the keys and drive. This one right here, it's not just a car, it's a rolling reminder of when Detroit built machines with heart, attitude, and soul. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscle Cars with Eric.